Is that Minnie?
Yes, Minnie.
She's a feisty
She's
little one.
cute. Her pictures don't do her justice.
Yeah, she is.
Oh, she's cute.
Quit it.
Oh, shoot.
Stop.
I need Maya to go away. She'll get them all upset.
Where is she?
Right there.
No. Ugh. Ew, you're all wet. That's gross. Here, I'm gonna wipe it on you.
Why are you sleeping there?
Quit it. Here you go. Chewing on my boot, dude. Go away. Hey, Minnie. Quit chewing on my boot, little girl.
Mary, is that a girl or a boy? You got. That's a girl. That's girl number 5.
It's girl number 5. It's cute.
I think. All right, Megan, you've got Minnie.
Minnie.
Okay. You want to pick up another one? I'll see if I can tell. Mary, you've got. That's boy number 2.
This one's fluffy.
That's boy number 8. You want to pick up another one? Is that a boy or girl, Megan?
I have no idea.
Turn it. Well,
Boy?
that's a girl. That is girl number 4, I think. Mary, you have girl. I think you already picked her up once. That's girl number 5.
We're good at this.
Behind you, Megan, is Gunner.
Gunner.
Gunner, that's
Hi, Gunner.
boy number 3. Mary, you have boy number 8. Now, if you picked them all up. Oh no, boy, that's boy number 7.
Come here, around here. Come here. Oh, look at that one has its toy. Come here.
That's boy 7. Yeah. Boy number 7.
Quick, Minnie. That is my boots. Those are my boots. What about you?
Somebody's got a toy.
I know, it's running around. You're so cute.
That's Gunner you have.
Oh, he's sweet. Yes, you are. He's got stinky breath. How about you and your toy?
Is that a boy or girl she's got? That's one. That's a boy.
Boy.
That's boy number 1. I don't think we picked him up before.
I don't think
That's
so.
boy number 1.
He's cute. He has a cute nose.
It's the only second time they've ever been out
Look
here.
at that one.
Which one?
The one biting on Megan's shoe.
Minnie keeps doing it.
That's a big one.
You're on top of him.
There's the little. There's the dark one.
Minnie. Hey. Hey, Mel. Hey, Mel. You got freckles. Stop. Which one is this?
Which one?
That one.
That's number 7. Boy 7.
Obnoxious, huh? Cute.
Likes boots.
Your pint-sized orneriness.
Hey.
There's 7's beating up on somebody. I think on 8.
Why?
That's a girl. That's girl number 5. Megan, that you're tickling. 7's still beating up 8. There's Gunner,
Gunner's cute.
isn't he?
You cute boy.
Pretty.
Yeah.
This is,
Look at him.
Tug of war.
I like you. I like you dark. You should stay dark and I'll keep you.
One just went in the bushes. Will it come back?
I hope so. This is only the, like I said, they were only out here for the first time yesterday, or this morning. And it rained on them.
Don't seem to mind at all. Face. You're so cute. So are
I
you.
like the dark one. You have highlights.
Oh, there's 3 of them.
They are?
Puppy, 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 puppy.
Gunner.
Puppy, puppy, puppy. Puppy, 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 puppy. They know what they are.
That's what I say when I feed them.
Are you barking at me? Or is that you?
No.
Or is it you? Good, good puppy for coming. I don't know who you are, but good puppy for coming.
That's a girl. That's girl number 4.
You came when I called you. Good puppy. Good puppy.
Oh, Megan's got one playing.
Watch out.
Megan's got an audience.
You don't fetch very well. Stop.
There's Nikki.
Hi.
Hey, Nikki. Wait. Oh, I don't think I want to get that.
Oh,
What?
That one bailed off.
it was fun. Is it fun? Was that fun? Wiggling your tail. You liked that. Yeah. Don't do it again. Go down the ramp. Look. Look. Yeah.